Namaste all of you. My name is Dr. Ritu Singh Rajput, Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science. Today we will discuss about the objective and scope of the industrial biotech. Industrial biotech is one of the most promising new approach into pollution prevention, resource conversion and cost reduction. It is often referred to a third wave in the biotechnology. If development to be its full potential, industrial biology may have a larger impact on the world than healthcare, agriculture, biotechnology. It offers business may way to reduce costs and create new markets while protecting the environment. Also, since many of its products do not require the lengthy review times that drug products may undergo, it's a quicker, easier pathway to market. Today, new industrial process can be taken from the lab study and the commercial application in the 2 to 5 years compared to up to the decades for the drugs. The application of biotechnology to industrial processes not only the transforming how we manufacture products, but it also provide us with the new products that could not be even imagined a few years ago because industrial biotechnology's new benefits are still not well known or understood by the industries. From the beginning of the industrial biotech has integrated product improvement with the pollution prevention. Nothing illustrates this between the way industrial biotechnology solved the phosphate water pollution in 1970s. Biotechnology companies developed enzymes that removed sorry stain from the clothing, better the phosphate, thus enabling replacement of the polluting material with the non-polluting bio-based activity additives. And some kind of there are so many application of the biotechnology in industrial biotechnology. There are some kind of three field details in the informed drive from the cell genomics, proteomics, bioinformatics. This is also a part of the industrial biotechnology. Industrial biotechnology has applied technology to improve food quality, role in the beverage industry, medicine, antibiotics, development of new vaccines, development of new processes, higher production, role in a food processing. Now we will discuss about some applications. Biotechnology and the medicines. Industrial biotechnology also in antibiotics like penicillin, fermentations, and some kind of antibiotics like penicillin, tetracycline, streptomycins, and auto. It is also in immunotechnology also like autoimmune disease and prediction of disease and some kind of human serum albumin, anti-hemophilic factors, food and beverage in a food and beverage industries. It is also a benefits and some kind of food like in food and microbes and edible mushrooms, industrial products. So there are various and vast knowledge about the industrial biotechnology and these are some applications of the industrial biotechnology. So this is all about the industrial biotechnology and its application and different kinds of scopes. I hope you are satisfied. Thank you.